This would be a level 3 question. The question states a subset S is formed by selecting some numbers from the set of first 1210 whole numbers such that the sum of no two numbers is divisible by 16. Find the maximum possible number of elements in S. Now, when we divide any number by 16, the remainder can be anything from 0 to 15. Thus, every number from 1 to 1210 can be expressed as the form 16k or 16k plus 1 or 16k plus 2, continuing till 16k plus 15. Now, if I have to ensure that the sum of no two numbers is divisible by 16, then if I am taking even one number of the form 16k plus 1, I cannot take any number of the form 16k plus 15, because when I add the two, I get a number which is of the form 16 times some natural number plus 16, which is divisible by 16. Similarly, if I take 16k plus 2, I cannot take 16k plus 14 and so on. Thus, I can choose only one among the sets of 16k plus 1 to 16k plus 7 or 16k plus 9 to 16k plus 15. So let us choose all numbers of the form 16k plus 1, 16k plus 2, 16k plus 3, dot 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 till 16k plus 7. So I can choose all numbers of this form. Now, when I have to choose from among the first 1210 natural numbers, k can go from 0 to 75. Thus, total number of numbers I have chosen would be 75 into 7. Sorry, 76 into 7, because 0 to 75 is 76 terms, and that will give me 532. However, if you look here, I have not chosen any number of the form 16k. So if I choose one number of the form 16k, even then I am satisfying the condition that the sum of no two numbers is divisible by 16. Because if any number is added to 16k, it will now no longer be divisible by 16. So I can add one number of the form 16k. Similarly, I can add one number of the form 16k plus 8. Because 16k plus 8 plus any of the numbers that I have already taken will not be divisible by 16. But if I take another number of the form 16k plus 8, then it will become divisible by 16. So just one number of the form 16k plus 8. Hence total number of numbers that I can choose is 534, and that is the maximum possible. Hence answer is option B.